These MB Quart FSB216 6.5-inch component speakers deliver a very balanced sound with strong mid-bass and crisp, detailed highs that suit both daily driving and spirited listening. Power handling is generous for this class, so they stay clean and controlled even when paired with a moderately powerful aftermarket amplifier. The aluminum dome tweeters sound lively and revealing without becoming overly sharp, which makes longer trips less fatiguing on the ears. Lightweight polypropylene cones and butyl rubber surrounds give the midrange a quick, punchy response, while also holding up well to temperature swings and heavy use. An external passive crossover keeps the handoff between woofer and tweeter smooth, helping vocals and instruments sound coherent across the front stage. Sturdy steel frames, a compact ferrite motor, and sensible mounting dimensions make installation straightforward in many factory locations while still feeling like a durable, long-term upgrade.